In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to fix faded prints and color issues on the Epson L5290 printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, this is the Epson L5290 printer. First, we will print a nozzle check to identify the problem and see how severe it is. Using the printer's keyboard, open the printer settings. Go to Maintenance, and you will see the Nozzle Check option. Print it to check the current status of the nozzles. As you can see from the nozzle check, it is completely damaged. All colors have issues and some areas did not print at all. To fix this issue, go back to the printer settings, open Maintenance again, find the head cleaning option, and start the process. The head cleaning will take about 3 minutes, so please wait patiently. Make sure the printer stays powered on, and do not turn it off during the process. During head cleaning, keep the ink tank covers open. This helps the printer properly air out and improves the cleaning process. After the head cleaning is complete, the nozzle check will print automatically. If it does not print automatically, you can manually print it yourself. As you can see, this simple and easy process helped the printer return to its normal condition. I hope it worked for you as well. However, if the problem is still not fixed, make sure to check out our advanced filter cleaning video for this printer. It will most likely solve your issue. You can find the link to that video in the description below. If this video helped you fix your printer, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor for more helpful tutorials.